Counting. After poll, close button not pressed by the presiding officer. Disclaimer. This training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to know about the steps to be followed if close button is not pressed by the presiding officer. Now we will see what to do at the time of counting if presiding officer doesn't press the close button. In the presence of candidates or their authorized agents under videography, press total button of the control unit to see total votes polled in the control unit. If total votes polled in the control unit tally with the total votes mentioned in Form 17C, then counting supervisor should press the close button of the control unit and then press result button for getting the result data. Similarly, in case total votes polled in the control unit does not tally with the total votes as mentioned in the Form 17C, the returning officer will take action as described in the next slides. The reasons for this might be CRC protocol not done correctly after the mock poll, VVPAT slips not removed after the mock poll, human error in recording total votes in EVM. Now, returning officer or the assistant returning officer will explain the exact details and reasons to candidates or their agents in the counting hall. Action will depend on whether mock poll VVPAT slips are removed or not. If mock poll is not raised in the control unit, but VVPAT slips are removed, VVPAT slips of the polling station will be counted. Correct candidate-wise vote count will be taken from VVPAT slips. If neither mock poll is raised nor the VVPAT slips are removed, then VVPAT slips of that polling station will be counted. Candidate-wise mock poll votes from the mock poll certificate will be deducted. Correct candidate-wise votes count will then be calculated. If correct candidate-wise vote count cannot be determined, then matter will be referred to the Commission for further directions. Candidate-wise votes from VVPAT slips of each polling station will be counted in a separate round. Votes from all such polling stations will be added to the candidate-wise tally. Final result will be prepared after adding these counts. In this education video, we have learned about what to do at the time of the counting if the presiding officer doesn't press the close button at the end of the poll. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos and rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.